Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,268. 24-hour volume, we're up 17%, and market cap, we are down 0.19%. Heading over to our daily chart here, in the last couple of days, we have seen that we're hitting resistance at 1307 and then coming down to an area of support roughly around the 1232 area. We can see already here there was a few candlesticks on November 12th, here on November 15th, and then on December 3rd and December 4th. So as the price itself is fluctuating from resistance down to an area of support, it is most likely that we are going to be testing this area of support once again. If we can take a look at the RSI here, it is kind of going a little crazy here with selling and buying opportunities. So we can see the crossover of our K and our D line, and then shortly after a crossover. So we are still considered to be overbought here at 82%. Anything over, 80% or 70% is considered to be overbought here. Now we can see that the RSI is coming back down and correcting itself, and that's what we're going to see in the actual price fluctuate for today as well, is that the price is going to come down and see an area of support. Now again, the area of support here we are going to be testing and watching over the next course of time, as it is eventually going to come down for the RSI to be oversold. But before we go into that here, we do see the candlestick range itself. There has been a lot of sell or buying pressure itself as the price again retested this area of resistance. Now let's head over to our 2-hour time frame, because in our 2-hour time frame it's a lot different from what we do see on our daily time frame, but we do see ultimately a retest here of our 50% of our fib. Now once we take a look at our fib chart, it is laid out really nicely here for us to see multiple areas of support and multiple areas of resistance. So if we are able to see two tiers of our support, we can see here at 38%, a few of our candlesticks again found really nice support at 32%, which is at 1263, and then our secondary support here, where we saw in the last candlestick range itself, came down to the 1253. Again, another area where the price itself found really nice support, and then price itself lifted from that area of support. So if we take a look at the course of action right now, we are considered to be oversold here. The oversold line for our K line is at 5% and our D line is at 26%. We know that the Ethereum here can come as low as a 0% before it does find that ultimate support at the very bottom here. So what we can see on the course of action right now is another retest of our resistance at 50% of our fib. Again, 50% was a good area of support and also a good area of resistance before price actually broke out. We can see this gap here that was created on just yesterday that was just filled in this candlestick itself, which essentially does mean that the price can definitely come up once again. If we take a look at the course of action of the last candlestick itself, huge selling pressure as the range at the very, very bottom here, or the candlestick wick crossed between the 38% of our fib, also came down to our secondary of support. So even though we're considered as oversold right now, there is an opportunity for us to hold on to support at 38% and then again retest our 50% of our fib. So far, again, the candlestick body for the 2-hour time frame compared to the previous candlestick does show a promising reversal at this end. So if the price itself is at the 50% push, we are most likely going to come up and retest our moving averages as another area of resistance. Now, once I put my cursor here, we can already see a few of our candlesticks treating this area or dollar amount as resistance at 1274. So right here, a few candlesticks here as well, and then a candlestick right over here at the critical point of our moving averages. So this area here is going to be a retest area to see if we're able to break above these moving averages to turn this bearish market into more of a bullish market for a short term. Now, even though that the MACD indicator has flipped from the green to the red, this essentially just means that the price is going to consolidate either sideways, coming to an area of resistance, and then retesting an area of support. So we may see that the price fluctuates from this node here. We can see this node here that's sticking out at 1275 and then coming down to an area at 1263 and continuously do this zigzag pattern until the price breaks out either an uptrend or a downtrend depending on the momentum of our MACD indicator. That's my targets here for you guys for Ethereum. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.